Hard to give specific advice on your unit unless I were to see pictures, because every RV is different. But I can give advice on how to take out structures. When removing anything like cabinets or bunk beds, or really any demolition project in an RV, you can't go in there just bashing everything with a hammer, which I've seen a lot of people do, and it's really scary. In an RV, most fixtures are installed with screws. This includes bunk beds, cabinets, and even those ugly window boxes. If you take a few moments to just really look around the fixture and the structure, you'll be able to find these screws. They're usually hiding underneath the face of the fixture. Like, you have to jam your head underneath it to find the screws. And you'll need long head drill bits. Once you find those, unscrew them, they come right out. And then you don't have to ruin those thin RV panel walls. However, there are some structures that are screwed in from the exterior. Like, the manufacturer really said, I think I'm just gonna make it super duper hard for them to take this out. So I'm gonna install everything from the outside. Be very careful with those ones. You'll need some patience to take those out.